So my favorite company, WEEYLITE, they actually have a new light. I'm a huge fan of this company because they have everything that you need from small lights to large lights and everything in between, depending on what size creator you are or what size room that you need to fill that light with. But let me just tell you a little bit more about this specific light panel that just came out. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. Links to everything you can find down in the description. And I know it's a little bit tricky to find nowadays, like it's just under the video. I try to make it obvious by putting a bunch of these right there. Yeah, you can find it right down there because I also have coupon codes for not just any of the WEEYLITEs, but all the Viltrox store, so you could save money through there, which is great. And also I have a surprise link, so you click that and surprise. So this is the WEEYLITE WP35 full color RGB LED panel, which does everything you need to be your key light and light your subject. It comes with this sleek and easy to use adjustable U-shaped bracket, and it also has barn doors to control your light even more. The WP35 has a full metal frame, which makes it way more sturdy and durable. It also has vents on the back to lower the working temperature. And they aren't loud vents either, you can barely hear them. The light itself can be powered with a plug, or you can use NP batteries to light this thing off grid. So you have your appropriate buttons and knobs to adjust your light. You have your CCT light, which is your bicolor normal light that you can adjust the color temperature to be warm or cold or somewhere in the middle. With HSL, you can go through the color spectrum and find the right RGB color for you and also adjust the saturation of that color. With RGBWY, you can actually fine tune that exact color that you might need in case there's a certain brand color that you need. With the COL mode, you actually have lighting color card simulations. And then you have the lighting effects. One of the coolest things about these lights, there are 26 different scenes that simulate whatever you might need to fulfill your creativity, whether it be police right outside your door, lightning flashes, watching TV, bonfire, or at the club, and so much more. And you can easily control this and all the other WEEYLITE lights through a remote, or you can use the app, which is really easy to use, super easy to customize, and you can also have different channels and different groups. So that way, if you have certain lights in different groups, you can just easily change them right here on the app. Also, check out this separate product that I got from them as well. It's like a real true way to run and gun with a light. So if you really want to put those batteries on there and maybe you need to just be able to be mobile with that light, lighting your subject one way and having to go over to a different spot, this is a great little handle for you. It fits nicely in your hand. It also has a screw thread mount on the bottom, so you can mount it on any tripod itself and then take that off. But you pair this with the light and the batteries and you are ready for action. Overall, it's a very nice key light for those in tight spaces without breaking the bank, because this thing comes in under $130 and you can actually save even more money with my coupon code. And WEEYLITE doesn't pay me to make any of these videos. I actually really like their ecosystem. I think what they're doing is great, especially for small creators to large creators that, you know, can't really spend that kind of money on really high professional lights. And other lights like this, with this quality and all of these features, you can expect to pay at least 3 times that much. So WEEYLITE, well done on this new light. It is great, and it's going to have a permanent spot right here in my office, which will make it so much easier to have that key light right there and easy to adjust without having to get up and fumble around with it and just use the app. But thank you so much for watching this product review. I have a lot of really cool gear to get to on this channel, so stay tuned. I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.